Hi, today we are making chocolate cake. I have made one before in the pan which was so moist and chocolatey. You can check it out if you want. Let's start with cracking 2 whole eggs stolen from Mama Chicken. Oh, I got a little shell in it. Let's take it out with half cup sugar and do a little whiskey business here until sugar dissolves completely and the texture of batter is like foamy and light. Add 5 tablespoons oil. Use any cooking oil except olive oil because it has a very strong smell to it. Whisk it for another 3 to 4 minutes and add 4 tablespoons milk, and that's it. That's all wet ingredients. Give a little bit wanky shanky at the end so that the wet ingredients combine really well. For the dry ingredients, add 3/4 cup APF aka all purpose flour, 3 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon coffee powder. You can skip it if you do not like coffee taste in the chocolate, but that's rare. I mean, who does not like coffee and chocolate? But if you don't like it, then don't add it. Do as your heart say, not mine. Fold gently until everyone know each other very well and become like a one chocolatey nation. For some pleasant smell, add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and give it a last little mix. For the mold, I'm using a microwave safe one because we are baking in the microwave, so grease it with oil or butter and add the silky smooth chocolate batter. Okay, this right here is the most satisfying part of cake making. Dab it a little bit and microwave for 3 to 4 minutes depending on your microwave. So stand still near the microwave and have an eye on your cake. Onto the chocolate ganache, I'm using half cup semi-sweet dark chocolate chunks and microwave it for a minute so it melts like ice in the summer. Add 3 tablespoon oil. You can use butter, but I'm short on butter so I'm using oil. For the nuts, I am chopping half cup roasted peanuts. You can use any other nuts which gives you severe allergies. Okay, just kidding, you can totally skip this part. In my opinion, I think winters are incomplete without nuts and hot chocolates. We girls love chocolate cake more than our existence. Oh no, that's a bit extreme. Okay, let's just say more than other existence like corrupt politicians. So after 4 minutes, cake is baked nicely. Now let it cool down. It's been 30 minutes. Cake is looking cool. It's time to spread the whole bowl of shiny chocolatey nutty ganache and cover every inch of the cake with chocolate, nutty chocolate. Pick up a knife and cut it into vertical pieces and decorate it with some more nuts. Okay, it's time to eat. This cake is very bouncy, nutty, chocolatey and have a very soft texture to it. So I'm gonna give it 8.8 out of 10. So easy to make and so nutty to taste. So thank you. Bye.